Having you back on my CryptoQ media channel makes me happy. Disputed with another party. We will go over the present state of Ripple and XRP in great depth. Important news has broken, and you won't believe it. Massive. Incidentally, if you were ever uncertain about Ripple's future or its role in the international payment system, you can now relax. Its course appears to be well defined. Here, we'll break down every detail of this financial issue. They have added cross-appeal and storage for systems, which are two hot subjects. If you enjoy Ripple, please subscribe and like the video. We update our database with new XRP and cryptocurrency market data every day. Good, then, let's get started. Therefore, we will plunge fully into everything. The most noteworthy development is that Ripple has begun offering crypto custody services to financial institutions, which has put XRP on a path to one. Our primary area of expertise is providing financial institutions with cryptocurrency services. We have been talking about these partnerships despite everyone telling us it's BS, and now things are finally coming together, as many of you who have been watching the channel know. The focus has always been on the build quality rather than the cost, and finally, everything is falling into place. This is why, according to CNBC, Ripple is gearing up to release a slew of products that would facilitate the storage and management of digital tokens for its banking and fintech clients. It is taking this move to further establish its newly formed Ripple custodial subsidiary as a conduit for the expansion of its building business. From many angles, this is plainly a major deal. Since this is special to banks, I believe it is vital to mention it. Tokenization of digital assets and the idea of digital tokens are also fundamental to this. Both of these things are quite important. There have been two big changes to XRPL, fixing problems with button callback functionality and money laundering. Does the direction this is heading in now make sense to you? Without a doubt, it is the path we hope it will go. By the time of the next financial report, XRP will have established itself as the universally accepted cryptocurrency. It was here that you initially heard it. If you share my sentiment, please hit the like button down below. Nevertheless, as said before, this move will allow Ripple to broaden its product line beyond its main payment settlement area. Fast cross-border monetary transactions between financial institutions are made possible by Ripple's net technology. According to an official statement made on October 10 by Aaron Sleethaw, Senior Vice President of Product, the new capabilities improve Ripple's custody functionality. This means that banks and fintech may now take advantage of banking-grade custody, which is scalable and secure digital asset custody. That is really mind-boggling. This is really important. It is contemplating going up against Coinbase. Gemini is the best place to buy cryptocurrencies. Coinbase, Gemini, BitGo, and 5 other prominent cryptocurrency companies compete with Ripple's custody services. It is projected that these companies' market caps would surpass 16 trillion by the year 2030. Following the S1 submissions to Bitwise and Canary Capital, which will allow the introduction of an XRP ETF in the near future, all inside the context of this banking system, this development is crucial since it aligns with those plans. So, who's going to make sure those XRP ETFs are secure? It can be entirely unexpected, like Ripple's. Along with many other things, it will soon be backed by another mechanic on the Ethereum chain and XRPL, which will provide a massive on-demand liquidity service for tokenized assets. Next, the RLUSD build-out is going down in the near future. The connection to the original XRP token is a contentious issue once again. In an effort to calm RL's fears, David Schwartz has stated that USD can only be purchased by institutions. All users will have access to XRP at this moment. It's important because, as he mentioned, XRP has a unique function on the XRPL. Following the critical topic of asset tokenization, which we covered before, I think these two will work well together, and XRP, the token, will be unaffected. The cross appeal will thereafter include Chuck. Given the SEC's recent activities, notably those of Gary Gensler, whose video you should watch if you haven't, who decided to go after Cumberwald and many others today, this is a crucial moment. But we still think this is going to be huge. This might decide Bitcoin's trajectory for the rest of this year and into next, and the SEC has to know that they stand to lose everything if they don't take action. Even though Ripple has already promised to pay $125,000, this cross appeal will be vital. It is still possible that Ripple will take it all. Right present, there is only a monetary impact. Ultimately, I think this will mean a lot more than just for the SEC if it's reversed. Because he knows he won't have a job in the next 8 to 12 weeks, I think Gary Gans is taking a huge risk by doing this. It is essential that we keep a careful eye on that, as I have mentioned it on several occasions before. As indicated before, what follows will be really exciting. Then why is the price so high? Bitcoin had a rough day today. Many had predicted that we would finish up lower than 75,000 or 8,000, but for some reason, it didn't happen. Oh well, at least it's interesting. Bitcoin back up, some modification. What I mean is that we are really keeping up a strong level of support. I am not making any assumptions by saying so. Plus, Ripple had a good day all around, with XRP reaching the 200 SMA and staying put in the trading channel we've been in for a while, which is a nice climb. We will be watching this W pattern very carefully to see what happens next. There was a noticeable merger to us. Our aim is a break of 236 at 54, therefore the break above would be in line with our predictions. Everything points to that break. Like we've been doing with other charts as of late, applying Fibonacci to this one makes everything appear good. We need a source of inspiration. What matters is the volume. Some optimism is needed by the market. Everyone seems a bit frightened by what happened today. 100,000 bitcoins, with a market value of 50 million. Brad Stewart and the rest of the team have been working tirelessly to develop and launch a banking-specific product since we believed the case with the SEC was over. This becomes clear when you think about all that has been accomplished with XRP, all that is happening behind the scenes, and, finally, how hard they have worked. In my view, XRP will serve as a global payment system that is compatible with a wide range of financial institutions, and businesses. Given this, XRP's value is expected to soar in the next years. So, what do you think its final worth will be? Give me an idea of what you anticipate the prices will be in the future. By 2030, the market capitalization had reached $16 trillion. Kindly share your thoughts with me. What does the future hold for XRP? How can we best position ourselves, and what values should we maintain? Appreciating my video is a privilege. Please subscribe and like my channel before I end this.